Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Cahwidantoro. My student number C1D12359. Here I will review videos from YouTube about its listening practice and TOEFL IBT practice. I start from similarity of listening tests, a multiple format. They may include conversation, description, lectures, or interviews. Focus on comprehension. You need to understand the main idea and details of the audio. Focus on specific information. Question often target specific details mentioned in the audio. Difference of listening tests. Target audience. Some tests might be designed for student, professional, or specific industries. Scoring system. Tests might use different scoring methods, multiple choice, short answer, scoring based on specific criteria. Content. The subject matter of the audio passage could differ depending on the test. Strategies for listening tests. Preview the question. Briefly scan the question before listening to get an idea of what information you need to focus on. Don't get hung up on unfamiliar words. Focus on the overall meaning and context. Review your answer. Double check your answer before submitting the test. Preference for listening test types. Conversation. You may prefer conversation if you enjoy listening to natural spoken English and find it easier to follow a dialogue. Description. You might prefer description if you have strong visualization skill and can easily picture the place or subject being described. Lectures. You might prefer lectures if you are comfortable with academic language and enjoy learning new information. Both TOEFL listening tests involve listening to academic conversation and lectures and answering multiple choice questions. Here breakdown of their similarities and difference. Similarities content, but test types feature academic topics relevant to university life. Question types both include multiple choice question and that test your comprehension of the main ideas, details, function of language, and sometime inference. Time pressure. You will have limited time to listen and answer questions in both tests. Difference. Length. The new format removes the accent passage, making it potentially shorter than the previous format. Number of passages. The new format might have 5 passages, one conversation, and at least one lecture per section. Answering question. In the new format, you can potentially spend more time on each question compared to having a set time limit per question in all other formats, depending on the practice test. Strategies and techniques for both test types. Here are some general strategies and techniques that can be applied to both test types. Review the question. Briefly scan the question before listening to get an idea of new information you need to focus on. Take notes while listening. Jot down key points and vocabulary words to help you remember details. Don't get stuck. If you miss an answer, move on and focus on the next question. You can go back. Preference for the new format. You might prefer the new format if you struggle with managing your time during the listening section. The shorter length potentially could be less overwhelming for some test texts. Preference for the old format. You may prefer the old format if you are comfortable with the existing format and strategies you've developed. Having an extra passage, conversation, or lecture could provide more practice and exposure to different speaking style.